Now we will continue with exercise 2.4. Question number 2. Use the factor theorem. Factor theorem to determine whether gx is a factor of px in each of the following cases. So you have to determine whether gx is a factor of px. So in question 1, px is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. Gx is equal to x plus 1. Now you have to find out whether it is a factor or not. So you have to take it equal to 0. So x plus 1 equal to 0. Take 1 on the other side. X is equal to minus 1. So in place of x, you have to put x equal to minus 1. So px is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. So instead of x, write down minus 1. In all places of x, write down minus 1. Now simplify. 2 into minus 1 cube gives you minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. 2 into minus 1. Minus into minus becomes plus. Minus 1. 2 into minus 1 gives you minus 2. Plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. Now simplify. So 2 plus 2 and minus 2 will cancel. Plus 1 and minus 1 will cancel. You will get 0. So here p of minus 1 is 0. If you get remainder 0, then x plus 1 is a factor of px. So here gx is a factor of px. Same sum can also be done in another way. So I will also show the second method of the same sum. Here you have to divide like this. 2x cube x square minus 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 1. So how to start and what to write here? So if you can do orally, you can do orally. Otherwise do like this. This first divided by this first. Here you have 2x cube. 2x cube upon x. This first 2x cube, here x. So this will give you 2x square. So this 2x square you have to write here. Now multiply by 2x square to both. 2x square into x. 2x square into x gives you 2x cube. 2x square into 1 gives you 2x square. Now you have to change the sign. Here it is plus, so write down minus. Plus or minus. So 2x cube cancel. Here it is plus x square minus 2x square. Plus x square minus 2x square gives you minus x square. Bring down this minus 2x. Bring down this minus 2x. Again this first term divided by this first term. Minus x square upon x. Here the first term is minus x square. And here the first term is x. So you have to divide this. This will give you minus x. Write this minus x here. And multiplied by minus x to both this number. Multiplied by minus x. Minus x into x gives you minus x square. Minus x into 1, that is minus x. Change the sign. Minus, make it plus. Minus plus. So minus x square and plus x square cancel. Minus 2x plus x gives you minus x. Bring down this 1. Again first term divided by first term. So here it is minus x upon x. Here it is minus x. Divide by this x. So you will get minus x upon x gives you minus 1. So write that minus 1 here. Multiplied by minus 1 to both the number. Minus 1 into x. Minus x. Minus x. Minus 1 into 1. Minus 1. Change the sign. Minus, make it plus. Minus plus. Both will cancel giving 0. As you got the remainder 0. you can say that x plus 1 is a factor of px. So x plus 1 is a factor of px. So in this way also you can calculate by division method. Second question, px equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Gx is equal to x plus 2. Take x plus 2 equal to 0 as we want to find whether it is a factor or not. So take 2 on the other side, x equal to minus 2. So substitute x equal to minus 2 in all these places. Now in place of x, write down minus 2. Wherever you find x, write down minus 2. Now simplify. Cube of minus 2, minus 8. Square of minus 2, 4. Plus 3 into minus, plus into minus, minus, plus 1. 3 4s are 12. Now simplify. If you will simplify this, you will get minus 1. So here you are not getting 0. So p of minus 2 is not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, then you can say that x plus 2 is not a factor of px. So here gx is not a factor of px. Px equal to x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6. Gx is equal to x minus 3. So let x minus 3 equal to 0. So x is equal to 3. Now substitute 3 in place of x. In place of x, write down 3. Then simplify. 3 cube 27 minus 4 into 3 square. 3 square gives you 9. 3 plus 6. Multiply this, 9 4s are 36. Now simplify this. 27 minus 36 plus 3 plus 6. You will get 0. So here p of 3 equal to 0. If you get 0, you can say that x minus 3 is a factor of px. So for this example, you can say that gx is a factor of px. Question 3, factorize. So you have to factorize the given polynomial. Here question 1, 12x square minus 7x plus 1. So you have already studied this method in 8th standard. You have to multiply these two coefficients, 1 into 12. 12 multiplied by 1 is equal to 12. 12 into 1. Now find the factors of 12. Find the factors of 12 such that if you multiply, you must get 12. And if you add, here you have to see the sign. It is plus. So if you add, you must get 7. Find the factors of 12 such that if you multiply, you must get 12, and if you add, you must get 7. So required factors will be 4 into 3. 4 into 3. So I have split this 7x. Instead of 7x, I have written minus 4x and minus 3x. Because 4 3s are 12 and 4 3s are 12 and 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 equal to 7. So I have splitted minus 7x into two parts, minus 4x and minus 3x. Now take out the common from the first two and last two. Take out common from first two and last two. So from first two common is 4x. So 4 3s are 12, x into x square. Now 4 1s are 4. So in the bracket you will get 3x minus 1. Now here minus 3x plus 1. Nothing is common. So you have to take minus 1 common. Minus 1 common. So here the sign will change. Minus into minus becomes plus. Whenever there is negative sign outside the bracket, you have to change the sign inside the bracket. So this will be common bracket 3x minus 1, and these two are in the second 4x minus 1. So factors of 12x square minus 7x plus 1 is 3x minus 1 and 4x minus 1. Now question 2. Here 2 and 3. You have to see the coefficient 2 and 3. So 2 into 3. 2 into 3 equal to 6. 2 into 3, 6. Now find the factors of 6 in such a way that product is 6 and plus addition is 7. Find the factors of 6 so that multiplication is 6 and addition is 7. So required factors will be 6 into 1. 6 into 1 gives you 6 and 6 plus 1 gives you 7. 6 into 1 equal to 6. 6 plus 1 equal to 7. So required factors are 6 and 1. So I will split this 7x. I will split this 7x. Instead of 7x I am writing 6x plus x. Will it be 7x? Now we have to take common from the first two and last two. Common from the first two will be 2x. See, 2x is common in both. Here 2x is common. 2x into x, 2x square. 2 3s are 6x. Here nothing is common. If nothing is common, you have to take 1. So plus 1 is common in the bracket x plus 3. So both the common bracket x plus 3 here and 2x plus 1 here. So factors of the polynomial 2x square plus 7x plus 3 is equal to x plus 3 and 2x minus 1. Now third sum, 6x square plus 5x minus 6. So you have to multiply 6 into 6. 6 multiplied by 6. This 6 and this 6. This will give you 36. Now you have to find the factors of 36. That product multiplication must be 36. This time you have here minus sign. So you have to speak the difference must be 5. Product must be 36 and difference must be 5. Find the factors of 36 such that its product must be 36 and difference must be 5. So its factor will be 9 fours are. 9 into 4 gives you 36. 9 minus 4 gives you 5. So I have splitted 5x. I have splitted 5x in the 9x minus 4x. 9x minus 4x will give you 5x. Now instead of 5x I have written 9x minus 4x. Now common from the first two. Common from the first two. So first you have to see the arithmetic number 6 and 9. So what is common? Which is the common factor in 6 and 9? So 3. Here x square and x. So x. So 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So 3x into 2x plus 3. Take out common from these two. So here you can see that minus 2 is common. So I have taken out minus 2 common. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Here minus into plus gives you minus. So 2x plus 3 common and 3x minus 2. So factors of 6x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 2x plus 3, 3x minus 2. In the same way, fourth sum, 3x square minus x minus 4 multiplied by 4 and 3. 3 multiplied by 4 gives you 12. 3 into 4. Now find the factors of 12 such that if you multiply it, you must get 12. And if you subtract, you must get 1. If you subtract, you must get 1. So factors will be 4 into 3, that is 12. And minus 4 plus 3 is equal to minus 1. Minus 4 plus 3 gives you minus 1. So these are its factors. So instead of minus x, I have written minus 4x plus 3. Minus 4x plus 3 gives you minus x. Now take out the common from first two and last two. Common from first two and last two. So here no arithmetic number is common, only x is common. So x into bracket 3x minus 4, nothing common, so 1 is common, 1 into bracket 3x minus 4. 3x minus 4 write common, x plus 1. So factors of 3x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 3x minus 4 into another bracket x plus 1. Its answer. Now question 5. Here also you have to factorize. Same method. Question 1. X cubed minus 2x square minus x plus 2. So here you can see that there are 4 terms. So if you see the 4 terms means take out the common from the first two and common from the last two. If you take common from the first two, you will take x square. So inside the bracket you will get x minus 2. Common from last two, minus 1. Minus 1 into bracket x minus 2. So take out this x minus 2 common and here x square minus 1. Now again you can see that this can be further factorized. They both are square. X is a square of x square, 1 is a square of 1. So here you can apply the formula a square minus b square. You know the formula of a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So x minus 2 remain as it is. Instead of x square minus 1, you will write x plus 1, x minus 1. So factors of x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2 is equal to x minus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1. So this is the answer. Now question 5(2). X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. So here you will see that if you take out common from the first two and last two, you won't get same number in the bracket as in the previous sum. So here you have to find out which factor will be there. So you know there are two methods, either x plus 1 is a factor or x minus 1 is a factor. So to check x plus 1 is a factor or not, so first we will check whether x plus 1 is a factor or not. If you get 0, then x plus 1 is a factor. If you do not get 0, then you have to check with x minus 1. And then if x minus 1 gives 0, then you can say that x minus 1 is a factor. So first we will check with x plus 1. Take x plus 1 equal to 0. 1 on the other side, x equal to minus 1. Now put minus 1 in place of x. Wherever you find x, write down minus 1. Now simplify. Minus 1 cube gives you minus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 square give you 1. Minus 9 into minus 1 gives you plus 9. Minus 5 as it is. Minus 3 ones are minus 3. Now if you simplify this, you will get 0. As you are getting 0, x plus 1 is a factor of px. So before starting factorization, you have to find out which will be the factor. So for this polynomial, x plus 1 is the factor. So now I will factorize. So let x cube as it is. X cube as it is. Now you write two steps together. Here x cube and then 1 power less. X cube, so write down x square. Then write down the factor x plus 1. Now remove this bracket. X square into x gives you x cube. X square into 1 is equal to x square. Now simplify. Here you have minus 3x square. Here you have minus 3x square. So I have to write such a term which gives you minus 3x square. As I have written x square, so x square minus 4x square. X square minus 4x square gives you minus 3x square. Now again 1 degree less. Here it is minus 4x square, so minus 4x. Remove the bracket. Minus 4x square minus 4x. Here you have 9x. Instead of 9x I have written minus 4x. So if I write minus 5x, then you will get 9x. Minus 4x minus 5x gives you minus 9x, minus 5 as it is. So if you take out 5 common, you will get x plus 1. So here x square is common, so x square into x plus 1. Here minus 4x is common, minus 4x into x plus 1. Here you have minus 5 common into bracket x plus 1. Now common bracket x plus 1 is written here, and all the number outside the bracket, x square minus 4x minus 5. Now still this can be further factorized by previous method, trinomial. Find the factors of 5. Find the factors of 5 that if you multiply you get 5. If you multiply you get 5, and if you subtract you get 4. So 5 ones are 5 and minus 5 plus 1. Minus 5 plus 1 gives you minus 4. Find the factors of 5 such that product is 5 and subtraction is minus 4. So instead of minus 4, I have written minus 5x plus x. Are you getting minus 4x? Minus 5x plus x. Now common from the first two and last two. Common from first two. X into bracket x minus 5. Common from last two. 1. X minus 5. So x minus 5, this x plus 1 as it is. X minus 5. X plus 1. You can see x plus 1 is 2 times. You can write like this also. But further simplify x plus 1 2 times, so you can write x plus 1 whole square. X minus 5. So factors of x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 is equal to x plus 1 whole square into another bracket x minus 5. So this is the answer. Yes. Third sum, x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So again here also you can see that there is nothing common, same common from the first two and last two. If you will take out the common from first two and last two, you won't get the same number in both the bracket. So again you have to check whether x plus 1 is a factor or x minus 1 is a factor. So to check x plus 1 is a factor or not, I am taking x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1. So put minus 1 in place of x. Minus 1 in place of x. Now simplify. Minus 1 cube gives you minus 1. 13 into minus 1 square. 1 plus 32 into minus 1 minus 32 plus 20. 13 ones are 13. Now if you simplify, minus 1 plus 13 minus 32 plus 20 gives you 0. As you are getting, you can say that x plus 1 is a factor of px. Now this is, we have decided whether x plus 1 is a factor or not. Now the sum will start. Now in the sum I will put x plus 1 as a factor. So x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. So write down x cube and in second step 1 power less. X cube then 1 power less, and in the bracket you have to write the decided factor. You have to write the factor which is decided. X plus 1. Now remove the bracket and write down the second step. X square into x cube, x square into 1. plus x square. X square into 1 gives you x square. Now in the sum it is given 13x square. Instead of 13x square I have written 1x square. So how much should I write so that we get 13x square? So if I write plus 12x square, see, x square plus 12x square, will you get 13x square? So I have splitted 13x square in the form of x square plus 12x square. Now bring down one power less, plus 12x. Instead of 12x square I written 12x into bracket this factor, x plus 1. 12x into x, 12x square, 12x into 1 plus 12x. Now see the x in the given term. In given polynomial that is 32x. Instead of 32x I have written 12x. So what should I write here so that again I get 32x? What should I write here to get 32x? So if I write 20x, so 12 plus 20, 12 plus 20 gives you 32, and this 20 as it is. So plus 20 common into bracket x plus 1. So you can see that you got x plus 1 in all the three brackets. Take out common, x plus 1, x square plus 12x plus 20, x square plus 12x plus 20. Now you have to find out the factors of 20. Now you have to find the factors of 20 such that if you multiply you must get 20, and if you add you should get 12. So factors of 20 will be 10 into 2. Will you get 10 2s are 20? And 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So you will get 12. So now you have to split this 12x in the form of 10x plus 2x is equal to x plus 1 x square plus 10x. Instead of 12x I have written 10x plus 2x. Now common from the first two and last two is equal to x plus 1. Common from first two will be x. X into bracket x plus 10 plus 2 into bracket. Common from the last two, x plus 10. X plus 1 as it is. X plus 1 as it is. Common bracket x plus 10. X plus 10 into another bracket remains, that is x plus 2. So factors of x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20 is equal to x plus 1, x plus 10, x plus 2. So this is the answer. Now question 4. 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. So here also you have to factorize. So here there are 4 terms. So if you see common from first two and common from last two is possible. So I am taking out common from first two. So what is common from first two? Y square. If I take y square common, what will remain in the bracket? 2y plus 1. Now last two. Minus 2y minus 1. Nothing is common. So minus 1 is common. So in the bracket you will get 2y plus 1. So here you can see in both the bracket same term is there, 2y plus 1. So take it out common, 2y plus 1, and remainder is y square minus 1. So again you can further factorize. They both are square. Let 2y plus 1 as it is. Y whole square, 1 whole square. So again you will use that formula a square minus b square. You know that formula a square minus b square gives you a plus b, a minus b. So y square minus 1 gives you y plus 1, y minus 1. So here the factors of 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 2y plus 1, y plus 1, y minus 1. So this is the answer.